Hello guys, good afternoon, welcome to my vlog. I'm getting ready to go out. I have a fellowship meeting today, and after the fellowship meeting I'll go direct to the church. I'm gonna volunteer our church service today. I'm absent in our church service today, but I'm gonna attend I'm absent with my training today, but I'm gonna attend our church service. I cannot yeah, I don't know how to make this scarf blouse. I want to make this scarf blouse. There. To double my blouse, to double my dress. Anyway, I need to what happened? Cannot